Hey beauties, my name is Lintoya. You guys are now tuned in to DousedBeauty TV, where in today's episode I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Pro Acrylic Kit called Core. If you are interested in this video, I'm going to give you all the deeds and the specs that you need. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and be a part of the Beauties on Duty.
Tell them, girl, them wine, yeah, them careful. Me a boom it and a catch it on the beat, me just a drop it. How me twerk it and a slap it on the ground like me a map it. How me stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and a lap.
Here are some key points that I will cover in this video: pricing, shipping, what items comes in the kit, quality of packaging, is this beginner friendly, and is it worth it? Key points number 1 and 2, I purchased this product on the 7th. It arrived via UPS on the 13th, and I paid a total of $113 and some change.
Now you guys can stop and pause and read this, but I'm just going to give you a couple of key points. It's a medium acrylic setting powder. It has a high performance adhesion with a low odor system. It contains 0 MMA and it never yellows. It says that it should have enough product in here for over 40 nail sets. I think that's pretty great.
Okay, so the first item we have is your 2 6-ounce liquid nail liquid monomer. And first of all, nothing spilled. It was well packaged, and that is a lot of monomer for a kit. Some kits don't even give you that, and it smells so good compared to like the nail shops and other things. Then you have your 45 grams of Core Natural, which is a sheer, kind of like clear with a little white in there. You have your Core Clear, which is your strongest of the acrylics. Then you have your Core Pinks, which is a clear with a hint of pink in it, so it's really, really sheer. And then you have Core White, which is kind of like a milky white. And then you have your XXX White, which is a true white, okay? Okay, so now you have your 8-ounce swipe. This is a disinfectant and a dehydrator. So it cleans the nail and it dries the nail out, and it has this cute little top which makes it easier for no spills, and I really like that about that. And then let's see, I believe you have your rose oil, your rose cuticle oil. It's a 1 ounce. And I was kind of bummed out with Young Nails about this because all the other reviews I saw, they had a little rose petal in there. Where's my rose petal, Young Nail? What happened? But that's okay because I actually make my own cuticle oils. And if you guys are interested in seeing a video on that, how to create your own that's more hydrating and, you know, all that other good stuff, just comment down below if you would like to see that. Next, you have your 1/3 ounce Ultimate Finishing Gel, and this is like a top coat for the ending results. Okay guys, so the next item we have is your 1/4 ounce protein bond. I was super excited to have this because everyone was #1 ranting and raving about this product, and only thing that I can say is I'm excited to try it, but I am kind of bummed out because it had like scuff marks on it, like maybe it hit the floor or something, I don't know. And then you have your 1/2 ounce brush on nail glue. So next will be our files. They give you 5 files in this kit. You have 150 over 150. That's great for filing the acrylic. 100 over 100. That is also great for filing down on acrylics. You have 180 over 180 combo, and that is a file on the front and a buffer on the back. Which is great for filing on your nail plate and or the acrylic, but just be careful when filing that on your nail plate. Then you have your 240 over 240 combo file, which is awesome for your nail plate, natural nail plate. And then 180 over 180 gray sponge, which is a buffer. I love the look of these files. I love the sleekness and the sturdiness of these files.
Hey you watching this video. I know you want to be a part of the beauty gang. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that like button and comment down below. I'll see you there.
So you also have your 50 pack each assorted nails, which is in the color natural and clear. They are curved, and I'm more so a clear type of girl because you can do encapsulations. I just like clear nails. Now you have your acrylic brush. This, I believe it's 100% Kolinsky as well. I don't know what size it is. I know it's not an 8 or higher. It's a small brush, but I'm happy that they did include that. Then you have your Manicure Brush, which is great for clearing out the dust, debris, and you can also use this with your swipe to help, you know, further clean and disinfect your nails, which also comes in handy for no spills. Now you have your 100 pack nail forms, and I am super excited to use this when my nails grow out. You guys see how I'm looking out here, so I can't wait to use this nail set to get right. Then you're gonna have your plastic eyedropper, which actually helps to dip the to get out your monomer. That's what I'm trying to say. And then they provide you with a damping dish. So for them to provide you with this eyedropper, it saves you so much time because you will waste less monomer. And here I am just showing you. I keep a lot of this around. I actually bought this bulk off of Amazon and it was really inexpensive. I make a lot of products, so I run through those little eyedroppers. So for them to provide that, that was great. So here I am just being really extra, reading the ingredients to their rose cuticle oil and comparing it with the ones that I make and sell. And mine's is 10 times more nourishing to the skin and the cuticle. I'm telling you guys, I can drop a video for y'all. Here's what mine's kind of look like. I actually made this for a nail tech and this is what I had left over. Yo, I can drop that video. Just let me know. All right, so that's pretty much it that came in the kit. I've shown you all the beautiful things that came with this kit. Do I think it is worth it? Absolutely. You get so much bang for your buck. It's not even funny. And here I'm just showing you guys, I haven't even opened and or used any of this product yet. And I'm going to be opening up the Core Natural, Core White, and the Core Pink. And I'm going to be letting you guys know right now, I will not be using these colors because the Core Natural and the Core Pink, as I told you in the beginning of the video, they are so sheer. When I tell you so sheer, either really, really sheer white, and I mean almost non-existent. It's almost clear with just a hint of white for the natural, and then almost clear with just a hint of pink in there. And this kit, the Core kit, does not come with like a base color like your nude or your pink, like a cover color. It doesn't come with that. So with those three, Core Natural, Core Pink, and Core White, I'm going to be showing you guys in part 2 of this video how to make your very own custom acrylics. Custom colored acrylics, I should say. And I'm super excited for that video. So if you guys are super excited for that video just like I am, and you are want to ball on a budget, okay, because we ain't spending no more money. We just spent $113 and some change on this kit. We're gonna make this kit work for us. So if you guys have old makeup palette that you do not use that contains mica, I'm gonna show you with these 3 acrylics right here how to create your own. Okay, quick review. Yes, this is beginner friendly. Yes, it is worth the buy. Did y'all see that acrylic filled to the rim, honey? Yes, you get everything that you need. Everything will be shipped within 7 business days for $113.35. This is a great beginner's buy.
Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like this video. Stay tuned for part 2 and 3 where I show you how to make your own custom acrylic and doing a full set. Thank you for watching. Peace!